Give me a hell yeah.
What is up, guys? It's your boy, the God Gamer Harriet, right here. And it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max, only on Harriet. And yes, today, ay reviewin natin yung panibagong Viva Max movie. 50 minutes long lang naman siya. Hindi naman siya ganun ka straining. Pero medyo malalim tong itong pelikula na to eh. Kasi simple lang yung title niya. Well, the title of the film is Linya. It stars Cesc Garcia, Sheila Snow, but it's mostly Cesc Garcia and a bunch of guys. Okay? And what I like about Linya is it keeps you guessing sa mangyayari and it kinda ends on a cliffhanger. And the last time that a movie ended on a cliffhanger was Nightbird. I'm still waiting for a sequel, guys. Christine Verma, sequel naman dyan. Ayun. So yes, Nightbird tuloy. Linya, the latest Viva Max original movie. So if you want to keep in touch with all of my bold review, uh, like this video para mapunta tayo sa For You ng YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max. I believe in John Harriet, the God Giver. Nothing can stop us. Also, the newly promoted team lead sa kumpanya ko. TL, meron niya sa Viva Max. Okay. So, yeah, Linya. So, it starts with, it's about the girl named Gia. Gia is played by Cesc Garcia. And medyo friendly siya. She is like the most dependable barista dito sa kapehan na pinagtatrabahuan niya. Like, she is known for making long lines short, and she is a craft in her field. What else na pwede kong masabi kay Gia? I think that's it. And she is developing like a romance dito kay Kuya Chris, who is more of an elder figure to her. And Chris is the one making advances. Isa sa mga tulad na advances dito is him touching the puday. Hinawakan niya yung puday ni Gia while they are flirting during a smoking session, smoke break. Yossi, gusto niya mag-Yossi. Okay? And yeah, we also meet some of the characters here. Chris is also was also in a relationship or did have a relationship with Sheila Snow, and that's like the only Sheila Snow scene na makikita mo sa pelikula na to. Yeah, it's all Gia. Gia has some mysteries around her. So Chris and Gia are developing a relationship, and then suddenly on the next day, she got picked up by a politician, a congressman played by Chester Gresha. And this congressman is also Gia's boyfriend. And dito nasira yung moral ni Chris kasi wala si Gia na sumama sa lalaki at nakita niya, pinick up siya and it seems like he doesn't have any hope for her. Pero nung umuwi si Gia from the congressman after some one night stand, nag one night stand naman itong si Chris at saka si Gia matapos niyang ihatid si Gia sa tinutuluyan niyang tenement. And then, suddenly, may a new challenger approaches si Pepe, driver ni Gia, ay driver ni congressman. And it's a lot to take in, so parang ano nasabi dito sa pelikula ito, hindi single si Gia, okay? May tinatago talaga siya. And it goes deep. So, si Pepe, sila, minolestya niya tong si Gia, sinaktan niya tong si Chris. Chris literally abandoned his work the next day. not showing up. And then heard on the news, patay na ang kongresista sa si Pepe. And we go to the ending of the movie at parang may advances yung may-ari ng kapihan. Sinabi niya si Emmy out of town and they could do some R&R, rest and relaxation with each other. Kung ano yung access key dun sa, sa kahera or something and then they can do some sex. Walang in-imply sino pumatay kay Congressman kay Pepe. It could be yung may-ari ng kapihan na nag-establish ng bagong branch sa Quezon City. It was hinted na meron siyang affair kay Gia kasi all the places na magtatayo siya, doon siya nagpatayo doon sa home court ni Gia. Pero hindi naman siya yung tipong makapangyarihan enough to take down a congressman. So, I don't know. Was it Gia's plan? Umiyak siya eh. And there's a lot of mysteries to be uncovered on the movie Linya. The mature scenes are fine. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-grabe. I think Chris, the actor who worked as Chris, is a very stiff worker. Chester, pretty much what you expect from Chester Glazer's work. And a stiffer worker, itong si Pepe. Yeah, he's working very, very stiff. And he needs some work. He needs some work on his craft. Yeah, and that's all I can say. To the best of my description. Okay. So what am I gonna rate Linya in our tier list? Well, Linya, I suppose it's not bad. It's not that bad, but it's not also that good. And I think I'm just gonna go for the copium level for Linya. Ayan. So Linya is a copium. Yeah. We got on our Viva Max schedule this Friday. We got Cecil Marino, and this features the return of Julia Victoria. I haven't seen her in a while. We also have Atasca and yung mag-ina, si Caris and Ida. Hindi ko alam kung and it's directed by Roda. Nice. Looking forward to it. Sana mahaba. Pero with this 50-minute movies na pinoproduce ng Viva Max, yeah, it's really, really okay naman. Parang ano eh. Yung dating kasi parang naubusan na sila ng kwento. Yeah, it's either may kabit, di ba? Or sindikato, or problema sa magulang. Yun. Okay then. So that's it. Uh, let's see. See you. Goodbye. Good night. Bye.